Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss fuse boxes in Peugeot 307SW from 2005. I'm going to show you how to find them, and I'm going to show you a map showing all the systems related to each and every fuse. First box is under the hood, so let's go ahead and open it. The box is here. It's also marked with the sign of fuse. Now, how to open the box? It's pretty simple. On each side there is a kind of a lever lock that you need to press to release the bottom from the latch. Now you leave this one, you go on the other side, and there's another latch lock. So you press on top, you pull it, and then the whole box can be removed. And now this is your fuse box. Now let me show you a map showing all the systems related to each and every fuse in this fuse box. Now you might wonder where to find Maxi fuses because they're not on top of the box. I'll show you that, but first of all we need to do a bit of disassembly. So just to be sure, we disconnect the accumulator, and then we disconnect each of these connection points. On top of the fuse box there are two types of cable connections. This type and this type. You disconnect this type like that. You bend this part towards the cables and you pull it. And you disconnect this type, pulling, let me show you, pulling here. Then you can basically remove it. We will also disconnect red battery cable. So you take key size 13, and you remove it. Now we need to take flat screwdriver and insert it here and pull this lock away from the cover. And the same we need to do here. And when both locks are away from the cover, they don't latch anymore, you need to pull the fuse box up. See, here there was this little edge that was blocking the fuse interface from being removed. Now when you pull this interface up, you will find your Maxi fuses here. So this is the box that we pulled up, and the Maxi fuses are here. And now we can assemble everything back. Okay, to close, you simply put the lid in place and press it. Now let me show you the second fuse box. You go to the driver's seat. Second fuse box is located on the left side of the steering wheel here. That's the lid for the fuse box, and when you open it, you need to turn this pin to the vertical position. And now when it's in the vertical position, you gently pull the top of the box towards you. Yep, not as gently as I intended. So this is the interface to connect your car to the PC and read the errors, if any, or delete some. Here you have the second fuse box just below the interface. And now I'm going to show you a map similar to the first one, connecting the systems relevant for each fuse box to the actual fuse box, so you can identify what you need to replace or check. Okay, and to put it back, you need to put these two sticking out pins or interfaces into the slots and just rotate it upwards and press it in place. And obviously turn the pin to the horizontal position. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Peugeot 307, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this car, and good luck with your Peugeot!